Hi, this is Mark from Altcoin Buzz. We'll take a quick look at Bitcoin today and a quick look at Bitcoin Cash to see what's going on with the hard fork coming in the next week or so. So let's get started. All right, so let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. We're on the USD one-day chart. This is the Coinbase chart. We've got the Heiken Ashi candles up. And if we look at it, we've got about a 3% rise over the last week or so, and people getting excited and saying that this may be the next bull run on a 3% rise. That's where we've gotten to on Bitcoin. Not much really has changed for me in the last couple months. I'm looking at the chart about the same way. We've got major resistance sitting about the $6,600, $6,700 area right here. This is also on the Fibonacci, about where the resistance area would line up based upon a drop every time we hit the 618. Fibonacci on the closes of the candles would be somewhere in that area. It does look like we might have a little bit of an ascending wedge or triangle forming right here. If we took these trend lines in there and roughly right in here, that would look like an ascending wedge starting to form a little bit. About, on a measured move, about 3 or 4%. So if we were to break out of that to the upside, that's taking us right into our resistance. And if we just look at the Ichimoku cloud, you can see that that's lining up right with where our 50-day moving average is lining up as resistance. So we're right at that resistance level again. It was the 21-day, now it's the 50-day. And we continue to trade sideways for the rest of the week. Potentially maybe a bump up against the resistance that we might have forming at that $6,600 range. Ultimately, like we talked about, we need to find support back here at the $6,600, $6,700, start making our way back up to find a new higher high here at 73 or above before we can start looking at a reversal on Bitcoin and calling this next bull run. So here we are in Bitcoin Cash, 6-hour chart. On Sunday, we're talking about this consolidation that looked like it should happen back against the support area, and we did have that. Now we're back on a rise. We also talked about the fact that there isn't much resistance now past this high volume node to get up into the next resistance area or the next swing high, which is in the $700. So we'll see. I mean, once the fork happens, a lot of this momentum will probably take the steam out of Bitcoin Cash. So you only have a few days for that to happen. But Bitcoin Cash, again, looking very strong based upon the hard fork that's coming up on the 15th. Well, that'll do it for today. I hope that helps you out to take you in through the rest of the week. Don't forget to join us on Altcoin Buzz.io. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and alert button so you know when these videos pop up all the time. And until next time, may all your trades be good ones.